And welcome back. Let's head to the track. As Jamaica begins its plans to host the 49th CARIFTA Track and Field Championships, Chairman of the local organizing committee, Mike Fennell, has reiterated the need for the government to allow spectators for the event. The committee hosted a breakfast meeting with prospective partners on Wednesday.
Football Federation JFF recently had its request to have an additional 10,000 spectators in attendance at the Reggae Boys Home World Cup qualifier against Mexico in January denied. Things might change between then and April when Jamaica is set to host the 49th CARIFTA Games at the National Stadium, but local organising committee Mike Fennell has taken note of the situation.
Well, whatever hat I'm wearing, we need more information, and we'll certainly find out, because it's of interest to all sport. Because all sports need to have spectators. We need them badly. And spectators want to see events. They want to come out and see events. So there must be a very good reason, and we need to know what those reasons are.
The ISA Boys and Girls Championships usually precedes the CARIFTA Games, but given that the same facility will be used for both events this time around, it could throw up challenges with a quick turnaround time for preparing the venue. But J3A's president, Gail, says there will be no need for any changes to the calendar.
ISA is on board with us through their president, Mr. Keith Wellington, who is a member of our executive. And so champs will be held before CARIFTA. And the dates are already synchronized between both events. And the organizing committee already have some of the members of ISA on it. And so it will be seamless as we both successful stage in our championships right into the CARIFTA Games.
General Manager of the meet, Marie Tavares, says the plan is to host the 650 athletes and 150 officials in Kingston so as to easily facilitate movement to and from the venue.
Right now we're making a decision as to exactly where, but we're in touch with two different entities.
In the meantime, Fennell says the promotion of the event will be after Christmas, but that they have no written agreement in place just yet in terms of sponsorship.
We have promises, we have some very serious statements of intent, but we have not signed up anything yet, and this is what we're working on.
The championships, which is April 16 to 18 with athletes from 27 countries across the region, is expected to cost over $900,000 or just about 150 million Jamaican dollars to execute. It's the 8th time Jamaica will be hosting the championships, having stepped in for Guyana, who were originally due to stage the event. Jordan, TVJ Sports.